Your airbag light is on after the vehicle was in an accident, and the scanner shows codes B1193, which is crash event storage full and locked. You get this code after a vehicle was in an accident, airbags or seatbelts deployed, or sometimes even in a very light accident. You're getting these codes B1193 and B00A0. Let's try to clear them, see what happens. Codes have been erased, okay? Let's see these codes. Might take a minute for it to go on and off. Looks like it's cycling. Different scanners, maybe faster or slower. But I just cleared the codes and looks like everything is gone except for these three codes, B1193 and B00A0. And no matter how many times you try to clear these codes, they will not go away because the module has to be sent to MyAirbags and have reset. We will clear airbag crash history, which is what this code is.
Since these codes are stored right inside the module, you will need to remove it and send it in to us. You can also send in the seatbelts. Many of our customers do prefer to send in the seatbelts along with the module. The airbag module is typically located in the same area. However, depending on the year, make, and model, it can vary. We do have removal instructions and videos on our website, MyAirbags.com. Once you're there, scroll down to the bottom and on videos, click on how to remove airbag module. Here we do have a wide variety of different year, makes, and models and how to remove the airbag module as well as seatbelts on all these different years, makes, and models.
You can go to myairbags.com, select your year, make, and model, and then add the parts to the cart that you would like to have serviced. Next, just fill out your information, check out. Once you've successfully paid and checked out, you can print out the confirmation barcode and put it right inside the box with your parts. No printer, no problem. You can go ahead and write out your name, address, phone number, and email address, and then just place that information inside the box with your parts. Once we receive the parts here at myairbags.com, we'll process the order, we'll service your parts, we'll ship it out to you within 24 hours. Everything we service comes with a warranty. Hey guys, if you're sitting there with a question in mind, go to myairbags.com and click on help. On there you can type in a keyword or a question, and most likely the right answer will pop up right for you. If it doesn't, we're always here on the phones. You can email us, chat with us, or you can even just text us. We're always here to help you, myairbags.com. Now's the time to give us a big like, subscribe to our channel. We have more videos just like this. Comment. I really enjoy reading your comments. This is Eli with myairbags.com. Save time and money on your next project.